Welcome back to another market update, guys. Welcome back to the Ace Crypto YouTube channel. I'm Ace Crypto, so let's get straight into it. So today we have a market cap for the entire crypto industry of just over $1 trillion. So we have an all-time high of roughly $2.3 trillion, I think, was the most market cap. So we're about 1.3 trillion from the all-time bull run high right there. So again on down, we're going to go to Bitcoin, $22,485 today. We did go above 24,000 just a few short days ago, but we're back down. So if you did buy down at the 18k mark, you would definitely in profit right now. So do take some profit because we will be dropping down in a couple of short weeks. So looking at Ethereum, we're $1,536 today. We did reach the 1600 for Ethereum recently last night, which was good for Ethereum. So if you were trading Ethereum, I'm sure you are up right now. Again, we will be coming down again at some point in the next couple of weeks. So looking on down, we have XRP looking at 35 cents today. So 35 cents is a good buying opportunity for XRP. It's not the best buying opportunity, but for dollar cost and averaging slowly but surely, start off, very small dollar cost and averaging, and as the price drops, start reinforcing your dollar cost and averaging position essentially. So we're moving on. We got Solana at $40 today. So $40 Solana. I first bought Sol at about $120. So don't feel bad if you did buy high Sol. We've got I think 280 on Solana for all-time high. So don't feel too worried about that. So moving on down, I see Avalanche as a $100 coin in the future. No problems at all. Polkadot, I'm big bullish on Polkadot too. I like their ecosystem. I like what they're doing. And looking at Polygon as well, Polygon Matic had a bit of a pump over the past couple of days. You can see there, over the 7 days we had a 19% pump, but over the past 2 weeks I think it was like 170%. So if you did buy Polygon low, then you are very much in the green at the moment. So that is the good thing about Polygon. So the Polygon and Disney collaboration, that's what's to blame essentially. And also the Polygon is released their ZK rollup as well. So if you do want to know a little bit more about rollups, feel free to ask me down in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do in terms of videos. Moving on down a little bit, we got FTX token right there. So FTX token, I am very bullish on. Sam Bankman-Fried, anything he touches is gold at the moment. Start calling him the alchemist. So moving on, Chainlink, very bullish on Chainlink, obviously because of the interoperability play and the Oracle play there. I like Stellar Lumens as well, XLM and ISO 222 coin. Very much like Stellar Lumens, and Algorand down here, 33 cents Algorand today. So I am very bullish on Algorand for the long term. I like what they're doing as being as a Bitcoin roll-up, essentially, is what they're trying to do. They're trying to be the layer 2 for Bitcoin. There's going to be a lot more use cases going to come about for Algorand very shortly, smart contracts, etc. So we're very happy with the way Algorand is performing, and the partnerships in which Algorand have collaborated with is looking pretty good for them. So moving on to Ape Coin. So Ape Coin's an interesting one. So if you click on Ape Coin real quick, it's the coin for the Bored Ape Yacht Club, and I'm sure it's going to be the coin for their Metaverse too, built on the Ethereum blockchain. Give me just 2 seconds. This computer, I tell you, doesn't do what it likes. It doesn't do what it wants. Doesn't do what it likes. So anyway, the price of Ape Coin at the moment, we're looking at about $6 with an all-time high of, well, it's looking very good for the all-time high, if I'm honest with you. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. There we go, and we're back. So we have an all-time high for the Ape Coin, $26 roughly. So $26. It can easily do a 4-5x from here. Thing is, like with the unveiling of the other side, their Metaverse is looking pretty strong. That's why Ape Coin's had a bit of a run at the moment. But the thing is, it's one of those coins you do have to look into further. It doesn't have a massive amount of utilities other than the Metaverse in which it's going to be used in. So the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Ape Coin, Metaverse. So I think it's going to drop a lot lower. $3 or $4 is going to be a good buying opportunity if you do want to get involved in Ape Coin. So moving on to the crypto bubbles. So the crypto bubbles to this week, as you can see, everything's looking very good. Phantom is up. LDO. So LDO is a DAO. So the way I think about a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization, is I like to think of them as a very complicated Discord server, if you know what I mean. So it's an organization that is fully decentralized. So looking around, as you can see, Convex Finance is a good DeFi play at the moment if you are interested in that one. As you can see, Ape Coin has pumped there. Where is Matic? As you can see, Matic has pumped there too. So if we go on to the month, as you can see, Matic has done a very, very good pump there, and so has LDO. Quant has done a fantastic pump. Not so much at the moment. It's not moving a massive amount at the moment, but Quant is looking good for the future. Stack your bags of Quant, guys. Make sure you're stacking your Quant bags. So moving on to the Fear and Greed Index, we are 31. So 31 to me says nothing. To me, it says pretty much stay in the middle. Nothing. No one is afraid. No one is extreme euphoria. We're somewhere in the middle, which to me is a hodling range. So when we drop down to, you know, the 4, 5, 6s down here, that to me is a buying opportunity. And when we're up here in extreme euphoria, that is a good selling opportunity. So I just used the Fear and Greed Index basically to come up with some market sentiment. Figure out how people are feeling in the market. It's a very good tool for figuring out how people are feeling. Are they fearful? Are they euphoric? So it's a very good indicator as when to buy and when to sell, I find. So we were down as low as 6, I think, about a month and a half ago. So we've definitely come up, you know, leaps and bounds from then, as you can see. Jumping onto the Bitcoin chart, as you can see, this is the 1 day. So over the past 1 day, we had a nice red candle there. So we'll jump onto the 1 hour chart quickly. As you can see there, we've printed some lows. I do see this sideways consolidation for another couple of days between roughly the 21 and the 22k mark. I see roughly this range. I do see us dropping maybe a little bit over the next 24 hours. Let's go on to the 15-minute chart just to have a little look, see what's going on to there. As you can see, we've printed a lot of red candles. See, that's not a low there, so that is a little bit bullish, but not massively bullish there. So we'll see what happens. Let's do quickly the 5-minute just to see if we can spot anything green. No, we can't. So there's no green there whatsoever at the moment, which isn't good. But, you know, that's just the market the way it is lately. So this is an interesting one that I want to show you guys about. So Minty Score. So Minty Score is brilliant if you're in the NFT game. If you are into NFTs, this is going to be the one for you. So Minty Score, basically, it's going to print a score based on their social media presence and hype. So very valuable if you are into the NFTs. Very valuable if you are into the NFTs. If you want to jump on over to the link in the description for the MCR trading, we are giving away 10 whitelist slots for Mutant Musks right there. So as you can see, he's #1 on Minty Score. So that is a collaboration that we've got on the Discord. So jump on down and follow away, and you could get yourself a whitelist spot for this NFT. So we're moving on to metaverses. So this is the metaverse that I've been looking at recently. It's called Paradox Metaverse. So this one's very GTA styly, Grand Theft Auto, in the way that you basically jump in cars and you can fight people with guns. So it looks quite interesting. So I'm assuming it's going to be some type of NFT play where your skins, your cars, and your guns essentially are going to be NFTs. You can buy and trade using their token, the Para token there. So as you can see, it is released on August. Yes, August 2022 is the release date. So keep an eye out on this one, guys. Another one is Illuvium, if you do want to look at some metaverse projects. So looking about this one, the good thing about this one is the team is fully doxed. Some really interesting team. They're also from the UK. Very, very interesting bunch of guys. So as you can see there, they partnered with Chainlink, which is bullish. And these are some previous brand collaborations. We've got Star Wars, Fortnite, Harry Potter, Warner Brothers, etc. Built on the the Unreal Engine, should I say. So, yep, looking quite bullish, and I'm quite interested in the way this is one that I actually want to play with my friends, you know? So that is a good thing about this. So if you jump on over to here, we can see that all the team are fully doxed, and they've got a big team behind them too. So that is very bullish for them. Jumping on, we've got some interesting news here. We've got some very, very interesting news. So, ex-Coinbase manager arrested in US crypto insider trading case. So, if we go on down here just a little bit. Where was the write-up? Give me just 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, so basically it was... why can I never find the bits of information when I need it? There we go. the former Coinbase Global Incorporated product manager, with leaking information to help his brother and friend buy tokens just before they were listed on exchanges. So how did he do this? Basically, he was giving his brothers and his friends some tokens that he knew would be listed on Coinbase very shortly, so they would buy on other exchanges basically, and then wait for the price to go up through Coinbase because it's a very popular exchange, and then they would sell through Coinbase and make lots of money. So it's not good, not good. The main take home from this is going to be down here. It's gonna be can never find the right. There we go. So that's what we want to find. The SEC said that it was deeming 9 of the digital tokens the men traded to be securities. This is the important one here. Like, the SEC determined that 9 of the total of 25 cryptocurrencies were securities. So that's the major one there, securities. Like, how can they physically say this when the case for the Ripple case hasn't even finished yet? So very interesting. An important designation for the agency as it continues to exert its authority over the volatile digital asset market. Listen to this. We are not concerned with labels, yet they've labeled it a security. So this is a really big thing that's going to be happening, to be honest with you. We're not too sure. Maybe the SEC would take Coinbase to court over the fact that they have listed securities. Nobody knows yet. So that's something we're going to have to keep an eye out on the future, guys. Keep an eye out on the securities, cryptocurrencies type of situation. A little bit scary. So this is basically the same thing as going on with XRP. XRP is being called a security, and they are saying no, that Bill Hillman, the speech, said that XRP is not a security. So moving on, we have the Bitcoin. Bitcoin sell-off. So Tesla sells 75% of its Bitcoin. So this is not the first time they've done this. They did this, I think, early 2001 as well. Obviously, they didn't sell. They didn't make as much money from the sell-off, and they made a lot less money from this one. I'm pretty sure they lost money on this one. It was revealed that the firm invested 1.5 billion in crypto. On Wednesday, Tesla sold. Yeah, so it's only 75%. On Wednesday, Tesla sold 912 million of the world's largest crypto during its second quarter, worth around 2 billion at the end of 2021. Okay. So yeah, apparently he lost a lot of money. Crypto market notoriously volatile as Bitcoin reaches all-time high of almost 70k, and now trading at less than 25 grand. Yeah, and this is the beauty of the crypto industry. So apparently he hasn't sold any of his Dogecoin. He's still keeping his Dogecoin. So whether this has got anything to do with the Twitter thing, maybe he needs money for the Twitter court case, I doubt it, but we never know. So he has sold off a lot of his Bitcoin. So a lot of people are thinking that the first time he did this, when he sold off a lot of Bitcoin, that had a lot to do with the Terra Luna. Because it seemed like Terra Luna was doing a big old spiral as soon as Elon sold a lot of his Bitcoins, essentially, because it pulled a big shift on the market, essentially. So it's difficult. It is difficult. So that is pretty much all we have time for today. Make sure you guys are joining the Ace Crypto TikTok. We go live every single day at 11 a.m. UK time. So if you do want to support the channel, make sure to like and follow, and I really appreciate you guys. It doesn't look like there's anything else to talk about at the moment. Oh, we do have a quick one here. So FTX to offer early liquidity to customers of bankrupt crypto lender Voyager. So Sam Bankman-Fried, the alchemist himself, he's actually giving liquidity to Voyager to give out to the people that got really, really hurt from the bankruptcy of Voyager, essentially, from the liquidity of Voyager. So Sam Bankman-Fried is absolutely amazing. Fair play. He's given loans and everything to a lot of these exchanges. So I got to give it to him. Fair play, Sam Bankman-Fried on that one. Very, very well done. Very, very well done. So quickly, we are going to go over one more thing as well, which is an airdrop. So if you don't know what airdrops are, they're basically free cryptocurrencies given to you for using certain platforms or doing certain things. So MetaMask is apparently going to be releasing a token soon. So to get involved in this airdrop, all you've got to do is download MetaMask, create a wallet, nice and easy to do so if you do have a mobile phone or a browser. make a swap on the platform. Make sure to do all swaps on all possible chains. So this is an important one. If you do it on all possible chains, you're more likely to get more tokens when the airdrop drops. He's already confirmed to launch his own token. So if you do want to be a part of the MetaMask airdrop, make sure you are downloading the MetaMask and making swaps on the platform. So thank you very much, guys, today. I appreciate you guys joining me, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Make sure to like and follow.